is the end of February. Goodness gracious. Look, I have to move all the way down to here. We're going to put the 26th day of February, then the 27th, and the last day of February is going to be on Sunday. When we see you again, it is going to be a new month. Does anybody know the new month? No. It's going to be March. March. But I'm asking.
March day.
All right, now we have a lot of things to figure out. First, let's figure out what day of the week it is. Here we go. We're going to sing. Days of the week. 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 There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Clap them again. Clap, clap. Let me hear you. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Now you clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. So it goes. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Friday is where our date is. So we are Friday, February 26th, 2021. Now let's take a look. We got to do our pattern. We have a groundhog and a heart. Let's start right here. And we say heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog. All right, let's try the next one. Start right here. Heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart. Go ahead and pull that down. All right. Now, what's going to go right here for our last one? This was a heart here. What goes here? Not a heart. Groundhog. Because it goes back and forth. Back and forth. Heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog. And then we'll be back here on March 1st. All right, we said it was going to be rainy today. Is it raining? No, it's not. Thank goodness. What kind of weather? Sunny. It is sunny outside. All right, what about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? What do we think? Rainy for tomorrow. I believe you are right, Julian. Okay, let's say our alphabet together. Everybody ready? Here we go. Let me hear you sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're counting 15. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, I want to hear everybody's big voice. Let's count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, let's look at some colors. What color is my pony? Pink. What color is the Oreo? Black. What color is Celia Wheelia? Purple. All right, let's look at some shapes. What shape is yellow?
The star.
The star. What shape is red?
Circle.
Circle. What shape is purple?
Square.
Square. Our nursery rhyme this week is Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Whoops. Let's go ahead and take a look at our letter. Our letter this week is the letter H. What does H say? Good job. Put that hand up there. Put that hand up there. Feel that air coming out. Let's say the word house. Put your hand in front of your mouth and say house. Can you feel that air? House. House. How about let's say helicopter. Helicopter. Yep, pull down. Pull down. Let's do it. Helicopter. What is this? Who's that? Let's say Hulk. Hulk. I can feel that on my hand when I say his name. Hulk. All right, let's stand up and sing about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Reach it up. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Reach up. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Here we go. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up high. It's the top. Reaching up. Ready? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. That's one. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Let's go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. That's 2. Do you start your letters at the top? You want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Top. All right. Have a seat on your bottoms. We're making the letter H. We're going to grab our big line down and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Grab our other big line down and put it on the other side of our mat. Little line, we put it into the top? The bottom? We put it in the middle. Where do we put it? Middle. Remember, top, bottom, shake it in the middle. This is the middle. All right, hands in lap. Crisscross applesauce. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. All right, do it with me. Fingers up. Put those fingers up. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little sides, my one friend. Fingers at the
Top.
fingers at the.
Middle.
Nope, not middle. I'm waiting for my other friend. Fingers at the. Use your words. And we say, big line down. Big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. We're supposed to be doing it with me. Let's try it again. Fingers at the. Fingers at the.
Top.
Where?
At the top.
Fingers at the.
Top.
Use your words. Good. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. And we made the letter